So yes, the iPhone 13 is coming soon and it is gonna break the barriers once again. This will be the top selling flagship. This is something inevitable. Now we have our first real live look to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this looks awesome in this bronze rose gold finish. So the images come courtesy Apple leaker Majin Boo. He says it is an upcoming device or a color Apple won't launch. The main thing to note is that camera module is massive. Right side of this module is reaching the center, and here's the comparison user did with the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So again, this is surely huge. Also, this ain't any dummy unit because you can see the minute details, flash, lens and whatnot. No image of front display, but we are gonna see a small notch which may look not so nice cause the overall notch is getting narrower, like a little large height and a small width. The overall form factor is same like the iPhone 12 series. The iPhone 13 non-Pro variants, however, is getting a diagonal camera layout on the back. Some news coming in about the storage capacity. Will have a 1TB storage option for the Pro variant, which is something we all are waiting for. Yes, also with the iPhone 13 getting higher resolution ProRes feature, it is gonna shoot videos in max out graphics. So with this higher storage, you can store data, store images and store movies as well without SD card. Summing up the final changes, we have a ProMotion high refresh rate display on the iPhone 13 Pro/Max. With this, Apple is also using always on display. You're gonna see always on display faces similar to Apple Watch. They can lower the refresh rate to 1 Hz when the phone is not in use or having always on display turned on. This is gonna save battery. Yes, not to mention this time we are getting a huge battery size of 4352 mAh on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. That's almost 670 mAh more than what we saw in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Some camera changes in both hardware and software coming in. iOS 15 out of the box and A15 Bionic CPU on 5nm plus fabrication process, which is gonna improve the performance, graphics and also battery life. So yeah, massive changes coming in terms of features. It is surely not something innovative like Samsung Z Flip or Mix 4, but is something you can trust on. This is all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.